are who we are.
Alright guys, we're going to be making this Lowery's Bacon Curls. And that's Lowery's, not Lowery's. L.A. It's Lowery's. Microwave pork rinds. And these are in hot and spicy. And I've had these before in the past, probably close to 10 years ago. And when they were cooked up, they were really hard, some of them. But we did get some good ones out. Maybe things are better now. Maybe they've redesigned the package. Maybe my microwave's better. We're going to test them out, and I'll let you know what they're like. So it says, open it up, shake it, side to side, 5 to 8 times. And then put the right side up in the microwave. And then over here, they got a lot of helpful hints. So they must have had some issues in the past, like I said. Some of these come out really hard like rocks. So we're going to try to follow these directions to the T and see if that makes a difference. It does say you can check them and you can put them back in. Open the corner of the bag, look at the product before further popping, but it also says there will be no popping noise. Does not pop. So they call it popping, but they say it doesn't pop. So we're just going to put it in, and looks like high for 1 to 2 minutes. All right, let's try this. Make sure they're all kind of separated in there. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Smells good. Well, it definitely popped up. I'm going to take a couple of these out so I can taste them plain. And I'm going to throw in some of Root Boy's number 2 in this and see if it tastes better with some salt. Alright, taste test on the plain ones first. Those are good. Nice and crispy. Good warm. Not hard. I can still hear it popping in the bag. Better than popcorn. Alright, now we're going to try some with the Root Boy rub on it. I already smell the chili. Root Boy rub. Even good on pork rinds. I would think that this would make a great topping on some sort of a sandwich. A lot of crunch, a lot of flavor. You know when you want that extra pork flavor on a sandwich, but you need that crunch. Alright, now just for test purposes, I'm going to dump these out. And we'll see. Yeah, see there's... Oh, that one's not too hard. That one, pretty hard. That one looks pretty hard. Oh, it's not too bad. Let me see. No, it's edible. Not a rock. I'm going to try this one. Yep, that one's too hard. Break your teeth. That one's kind of hard. So overall, just a couple little ones. And all these look pretty good. Maybe that one. So just like kernels of popcorn, you got to pick out these hard ones you can't eat.